part of the same chapter number 5, acid, base and salt. So in part first and what we have studied, just recall that first of all. In that part, what I have discussed with you about acid, base and salt. In which substance acid is present and in which substance base is present. The substance which जो substance होते हैं, why they are sour in taste? Because acid is present in that, or in bases what I have explained you bitter. When we take a baking soda solution, when we rub that solution in our hands become very soapy because base is present in that. So that we have learned about acid and base. I have also given homework to you that you have to write the some name of substances and you have to check whether they are acid or basic. Then some substances we are not able to taste, and then how we come to what is the kind of what is the nature of that food. कोई substance ऐसे होते हैं जिनको हम taste नहीं कर सकते हैं. Then how we will come to know that what is the nature of that food? Its acid is present in that or base is present in that. For that a special kind indicator is used. What we are using indicators for testing whether the substance में acid is present or base is present. For indicator I am giving example litmus paper. Litmus paper is a best indicator. Litmus paper are of two types. First is red litmus paper and another is a blue litmus paper. This is the indicator. From this we can check whether the acid or base is present in the any substance. अगर acidic substance होगा litmus paper का color change होगा, red turns to red to blue. If base is present in that any substance, अगर वो solution हम डाल रहे हैं तो turns blue to red. Say for example, if red litmus paper I am having, then I have taken lemon juice और red litmus paper मेरे पास है, तो lemon juice में क्या present है? Acid. If I lemon juice का solution है वो red litmus paper में डालूंगा, the color of red litmus paper turns to blue. Why? Because acid is present in the lemon juice solution. Then second example, I have taken blue litmus paper and I have taken a baking soda solution. जब baking soda solution है जो blue litmus paper डालेगा, it turns the color red. Why it is? Because base is present in that solution. This was the example and I have explained about indicator, that we are using different indicators to check whether acid or base is present in that. Now today I am going to share some name of the acids and where the acid found in. This side the name of acids are there और यहाँ पे है कि कौन सी चीज में वो फाउंड होते हैं. This table is very helpful for you. This is the table for a better understanding. आपको general knowledge में increase होगा and you have to learn this table properly because from this table length and MCQs can be come. Now first is name of acid is acetic acid. तो where it is found in vinegar. Acetic acid कहाँ found होता है? Vinegar में. What is vinegar? Vinegar when we are making Manchurian rice और जो होता है ये सब snacks होते हैं, तो we are adding vinegar. उसको खट्टा बनाने के लिए हम vinegar डालते हैं. तो acetic acid कहाँ found होता है? Vinegar में. Then formic acid. Where the formic acid found? Ant sting. When ant is beating, जब ant हमको काटती है, तो वो जो काटती है उसके अंदर कौन सा acid present है? Ant के अंदर formic acid. Then citric acid. Citric acid किसमें होता है? In oranges and lemon. और as we can say in a citrus fruit, जो खट्टे fruit होते हैं उसमें कौन सा acid present होता है? Citric acid. Then lactic acid is present in curd. Oxalic acid is present in spinach. Then ascorbic acid means vitamin C जिसमें से मिलता हो. Then आंवला and citrus fruit मतलब orange भी हो गया and lemon also. Then tartaric acid is found in grapes and unripe mangoes. I am repeating again the same. Acetic acid is found in vinegar, formic acid in ant sting, citric acid in oranges and lemon, lactic acid in curd, oxalic acid in spinach. Then ascorbic acid means a vitamin C. It's found in oranges, lemon, orange and citrus fruit. Tartaric acid found in grape and unripe mango. See these the acids we are eating. ये जितने भी हम mention किए हैं, but all substances we are eating in our day-to-day life. Then you will might be confused कि इसमें सारे acid present हैं. But these acids are natural. ये हमारी body को harm नहीं करेंगे. Natural acids cannot harm to our body. Then these are the name of bases and where they can found in. The name of first base is calcium hydroxide. वो कहाँ मिलता है हमको? Lime water. Then ammonium hydroxide is found in window cleaner. जैसे हम window को clean करते हैं उसके अंदर कौन सा base होता है present? Ammonium hydroxide. Then sodium hydroxide is present in soap. Then magnesium hydroxide is found in milk of magnesium. See these both tables where the acid is present and where is base is present. You have to learn it properly. Now moving to another topic, that is neutralization. What is the name of this topic? Neutralization. Now what is neutralization? Just see the define of this. Acid and base react to produce salt and water. This chemical reaction is called neutralization. न्यूट्रलाइजेशन क्या होता है? जब एसिड और बेस एक साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं, when acid and base both react together to produce salt and water. एसिड और बेस साथ में रिएक्ट करेंगे, क्या प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए? सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. सो दिस केमिकल रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड न्यूट्रलाइजेशन. इन केमिकल फॉर्म इफ वी कैन राइट एसिड प्लस बेस, एसिड और बेस जो है वो दोनों साथ में कंबाइन हो जाएंगे और व्हाट इट प्रोड्यूस? सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. In the term of science, in the language of science, the arrow, इसको इसमें क्या बोलते हैं? एरो बोलते हैं. बट इसका मतलब होता है gives us. In the language of science, acid plus base जब ये दोनों साथ में मिक्स होंगे तो what it will gives us? Salt plus water. I am repeating again the chemical reaction. Acid plus base gives us salt and water. जब acid और base साथ में react करेंगे तो what it will produce? Salt plus water. Now neutralization process को समझ लिया, but neutralization process why we are using neutralization reaction is used for the treatment of acidity. ये reaction है जो neutralization reaction जब होता है उसमें salt और water produce होगा, तो why we are using for the treatment of acidity. हमको acidity होती है उस treatment के लिए ant bite, when ant हमको bite करता है, then acidic or basic soil treatment. Soil treatment means whenever we are adding a lot of chemicals in soil for better production of crops. जब बहुत हम डालते हैं chemicals उसमें, क्यों डालते हैं? Good production of crops का इसलिए डालते हैं तो उससे अगर हमको कुछ affect हो रहा है हमारे hands पे, that soil में कौन काम करता है? Farmers are working. अगर हमको कुछ effect होता है तो which process they are using to improve that? So कौन क्या use करते हैं वो लोग? Neutralization होता है. Let me explain you. And factory acidic waste treatment. जो फैक्ट्री में से वेस्ट निकलता है, फैक्ट्रीज आर प्रोड्यूसिंग एनीथिंग, तो उसका जो वेस्ट होता है वो कैसा होता है? फैक्ट्री एसिडिक वेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट. सो फॉर दिस ऑल थिंग्स, फर्स्ट इज फॉर एसिडिटी, सेकंड इज एंड बाइट, थर्ड इज एसिडिक और बेसिक सॉइल ट्रीटमेंट, एंड लास्ट इज द फैक्ट्री एसिडिक वेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट. फॉर ऑल दीस ट्रीटमेंट्स, इनको ठीक करने के लिए व्हिच प्रोसेस वी आर यूजिंग? न्यूट्रलाइजेशन. न्यूट्रलाइजेशन क्या होता है? जब एसिड और बेस साथ में कंबाइन होते हैं तो हमको क्या देता है? वो सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. नाउ आई एम गिविंग एग्जांपल ऑफ द सम एसिड्स एंड कैसे वो रिएक्ट करता है. जस्ट रीड डेफिनेशन अगेन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. द रिएक्शन बिटवीन एन एसिड एंड बेस इज नोन एज न्यूट्रलाइजेशन. राइट? जब रिएक्शन होता है एसिड और बेस के साथ तो उस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं? न्यूट्रलाइजेशन. And what it will produce? Salt and water from this process. Salt and water are produced in this process with the evolution of heat. Heat का evolution होकर neutralization process जब acid और base के साथ मिलता है तो what it gives? Salt and water. Just see an example for this. पहले क्या mix हो रहा है उसमें? acid और base. तो hydrochloric acid. What is the name? This is the name of acid, right? Hydrochloric acid. What is the chemical formula of this hydrochloric acid? HCl. HCl means क्या होता है? हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. उसमें प्लस बेस हुआ है. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ बेस? सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इज द नेम ऑफ बेस. तो व्हाट इज द केमिकल फॉर्मूला ऑफ सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड? NaOH. When HCl means hydrochloric acid plus NaOH means sodium hydroxide, when it will become, जब साथ में होंगी, जब साथ में रिएक्ट करेंगे तो what it will give? Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is the name of a salt. Sodium chloride किसका नाम है? Salt का. And what is the chemical formula of this? NaCl. और acid और base साथ में रिएक्ट हुआ तो salt मिल गया हमको. It also gives us water. The water stands for H2O. Let's see again this formula. First of all, chemical reaction देख लो सबके. HCl it stands for hydrochloric acid. NaOH stands for sodium hydroxide. NaCl it stands for sodium chloride. And H2O it stands for water. See, these are the chemical equations for these words. तो यू हैव टू लर्न दिस केमिकल इक्वेशंस, आपको इक्वेशंस आने चाहिए सारे ये। अब देखो HCl क्या था, एसिड था, NaOH है बेस, तो एसिड और बेस मिलेगा तो क्या मिल रहा है हमको, सॉल्ट एंड वाटर। तो सॉल्ट है हमारा NaCl plus H2O is our water. So what this proves a neutralization process. Now what I told in this, a neutralization reaction is used in many treatments such as indigestion, antibiotic, soil treatment and factory waste. In these four treatments the neutralization process we can use